Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps on how to disable sync for important emails in Gmail. If you want to manage your data usage better or reduce notifications from important emails syncing constantly, this quick tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust the sync settings. Next, tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, located at the top left corner of your screen. This will open the side menu with various options. Scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your Gmail experience. Now, select the email account you want to manage. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to pick the right one. Once inside your account settings, look for and tap on Manage Labels. This section lets you control how different types of emails sync with your device. Find and tap on Important. This label corresponds to emails Gmail marks as important based on your activity and preferences. Here, you will see sync options for this label. To stop syncing important emails, select None. This means Gmail will no longer sync emails marked as important to your device, helping you save data and reduce distractions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled syncing for important emails in your Gmail app. This simple change gives you more control over which emails get synced and when, without turning off sync for your entire account. If you want to re-enable syncing later, just follow the same steps and choose your preferred sync option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Gmail experience.